Everybody, Brownie Jonas here, and today I am with my adorable little kitten, and yeah, this is kind of just gonna be a little blooper, but you can maybe see her over there under the chair. But yeah, she's being super playful right now, so I think y'all should see this. Nina, look at that! She's being so playful. Get it? Come on, get it? Huh? Come get it, Lena? Lena girl. So yeah, I got this toy here, and I'm playing with my cat. Lena. She's following it with her head. She's being super cute. There she goes. There she goes. There goes the kittens. There go the crazy kitten paws. Oh, she's getting ready. She's getting ready. I don't know if you can see her right now. She's like, yeah, there you go. You can see her. Alright. But yeah, she's just being super cute right now. Like she's done. Oh, maybe not. Maybe. Oh, no. Definitely not. Definitely love. Oh, who's the little kitty boo? Who's the little kitty boo? Meow meow. Meow meow, you won't get it? Won't get it? Huh? Oh, kitty? Huh? Oh, meow meow? Oh, she's getting ready. She's getting ready. You getting ready? Oh, Lena? Get ready. You getting ready to pounce? I think that's a yes. Let's move this ball out of the way. Lena. No, I think she might be done. Oh, no. No. No, the most beautiful kittens. Yeah, I think that's gonna be all for today. So yeah, just kind of cute video of my cat being super playful. So I didn't really plan this video out, so the shout out will be going to little Miss Lena Paws. I don't know if you can see her right now.